In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency on Binance if you're using your mobile. Now, you need to sign up to Binance, right? You need to be registered. So once you've registered and verified your Binance account, open your Binance, right? So this is the asset option. There's the home, there's the market, there's the trade, there's the futures, there's the assets. Now, the very first thing you need to do, you need to own a cryptocurrency for yourself, right? So I'll suggest, let's say, if you buy USDT, you can deposit it to Binance, right? Deposit your USDT or your Solana or your Ethereum, anyone. So if you love to buy cryptocurrency right here in Binance, what you need to do now, you're going to see this trade option, right? Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to be able to see you're going to see the spot trade, right? So if you want to buy cryptocurrency, you can use this option, right? So let's say you want to buy $21 worth of Bitcoin. You're going to click on the buy, right? Previously it's going to be in this, but just change it to market, right? Then enter the amount of USDT you want to use to buy Bitcoin. If you enter $1, if you click on this buy now, right, you cannot buy. I think like this one is like you need a certain amount of money to be able to carry on some transactions, right? But if you want everything to go well for you, right, without any problems, just click on this convert. Right here you can convert any amount of your USDT to any of your preferred choice of token you want to buy, right? So if you want to buy, let's say BNB, right, if you click on this, you're going to see the BNB. So you can even type in, even if this $1 you want to use, right, click on this preview. Once you click on it, after 8 seconds, if you click on the confirm, you're going to be able to buy the BNB, right? So you're going to be converting from the USDT to any of your preferred tokens here, right? So if you're using your mobile, this is basically how you can do this. And this still works if you're using your iPad or your PC or laptop, right? So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.